welcome to Brookie's Toy Review.
Okay, Brooke. It says to start your potion. So fill the potion bottle with water, which you already did, and then what? Okay, go ahead.
I'll spell.
You're spilling it, Brooke.
Pour it into the cauldron, right here in the middle.
It's going in. I hear bubbling.
Okay, we have to listen for tap, tap, tap.
Putting
Wait,
me.
shh. Okay. Now you gotta tap with the wand 3 times. That's so hard. Okay, now it says we have to give your wish luck and add fairy sprinkles. What's this?
Fairy sprinkles. Wait, what's a wish lock? What's wish lock, Daddy?
Wish luck? I don't know. Here you go. So just pour it in, and I guess you.
Just do it at the same time.
It says add the sprinkles and then stir it.
Okay, add it in.
Add it first and then stir it.
What this looks like sand.
This. Is that all of it?
The tapped.
Okay, now stir it.
Okay, it's done.
Okay, now tap it 3 times.
1, 2, 3. Oh, it's all going to the middle.
Did we hear the tap?
Yeah, we heard the tap too. So we put this in now?
Wait.
We did hear the tap, Daddy.
Okay, so it says to pour in liquid sapphire. That's number 3.
Open that up.
Okay. That's liquid sapphire, Brooke.
It's blue.
Hey, people. Oh. Okay, now it says to tap it now. Tap it again.
How much? What times?
3 times.
1, 2, 3.
That's so hard. Okay, now we have to make your luck appear.
5. Oh, that's this one.
I'm looking here. Number 4, Brooke. Is that number 4?
Yes, number 4.
Okay, so it says just put it in.
I'm so excited.
And then we have to stir it. So stir it a little bit.
Oh, it's going in. Okay. It's in.
We have to listen for the tap noise. Hear any tapping? Oh, there it is. Tap it 3 times. Now we have to make your spell blossom, number 5. It's a flower. Okay, just pour it in there. Oh. Okay, and then we stir that one. Stir it.
We can feel it. fizzing. It's like a bath bomb almost.
Okay, we're gonna wait for it to tap.
See the bubble getting bigger and bigger now. I'm staring at it.
Here it is tapping.
Free time.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, and then we have to make the spell strong with dragon scales. Number 6.
Second tail.
You want to do it? Okay, go ahead. Okay, just pour it in. Hold on.
Almost doesn't.
Did it come out? There's more.
Let me see. There's more. I think we need to open it more. It's done. It's done.
Okay, now mix it.
I heard it tap.
And then tap it.
It tapped.
You have to tap it.
1,
Yep, 3 times.
1.
Tap
I'm
it.
missing it. 1, 2, 3.
Did you tap it?
Yeah, it. Stop tapping it. It's gonna. It might get ruined.
Okay, now it says to name your wish. So number 7.
Do you write it down?
Can you open it? Or you want me to open it?
What are you gonna name your wish?
I think it's might be already named.
No, it's not named.
Oh, you have to write it, I think.
Yeah.
Write your wish on the scroll and drop it in the cauldron. What's your wish, bro?
I'll go get it.
Is it an animal or what is the end result of this?
I'm not sure.
Uh-oh, it's tapping. Do you need me to get you a pen?
Brooke, bring that over here. I loaded it up.
Okay, drop it in. Drop it in.
Cute.
Drop it in. Okay, hit. Oh wait. It says stir it now.
I named it cute. It's the name that makes it look different.
Okay, now tap it.
1, 2, 3. Oh, I can see the name.
You have to say this. Magicus Mixus.
Mine's a kiss.
Oh, Brooke, look.
Cool. I can't see anything.
Oh, I
What's
hear
that noise?
noises.
I'm moving it. I'm moving it. I'm moving it. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
Get it out of here. It's all foggy. It's foggy.
I hear
So what happens
noises.
after that?
Get it out. Here.
Oh,
I know what happens next. There's gonna be a little guy popping out. I know what happens next.
Okay, so you just gotta wait a little.
you hit him. The little guy that popped out.
Oh.
Why don't you wait?
I can't.
Hold on. So it says
Is there a guy in there?
you can remove it. You have to turn it this way.
Oh, cute.
Turn it this way, Brooke. Yeah, you're right. Keep going.
Turn own him anymore.
What is this, Hatchimals 2.0?
He's cute. I named him
Oh,
cute.
it's
It's what? I named
You
him.
may need an adult.
no, it's got the wires on it.
Is it because she hit it on accident?
No.
It's so.
He's cute because I
You
named
need
him.
to wait.
I need scissors.
He's cute because I named him cute. I'll go get some.
I'll get it, Brooke.
He's stuck in there. I can still
There you go, Brooke.
Oh, there's something on him though. The little tune thing.
Okay, what'd you think, Brooke?
I liked it. But
Yeah.
really cute.
Let's see the little animal. Show us what it looks like.
It's got wings.
Oops, sorry about that.
Okay, here you go.
It has wings.
So was that fun?
Yeah, it's named. I named it cute, and it looks so cute.
And his head lights up. Does he talk to you forever? Some interesting noises. So can you use this cauldron again?
Yeah.
So is this toy a thumbs up or a thumbs down? Thumbs way up? 2 thumbs up or 1 thumbs up?
No, 1,000 thumbs up.
Okay, I gotta go clean this up.
He's so cute. I think it's because I named him cute, so he's cute.
Okay, Brooke, say bye to the kids. Thank you for watching.
Bye, thank you for watching.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to Rookie's channel.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.